love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste Friends. In the previous lecture, which was chapter 10 in arrays, we saw how to join the arrays. And then before that we saw iteration. So today we are in chapter 52 of the entire Python family, and chapter 11 in the NumPy, numerical Python. So last time, we saw joining. So if you have to join something, you have to split also. Okay, this is like your breakup, some family breakup, some friends breakup, and stuff of that nature. So the reverse of joining is called as splitting. So join actually merges multiple arrays into one, and splitting is basically one into multiple. And we use array underscore split for splitting arrays. All right. So let's actually see. So we actually take this and let's actually see NumPy, and then we have one single array, and then we say array split, we say this array of, and then we say 3. So what does it mean? And then we print this. We print this as 3 different things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if I say is 2, it is going to give me as 2. If I say 4, let's see whether it can. It has actually given me. So see, it has actually done everything whatever I needed. Okay, so this is just splitting. Yeah, same thing, same command. So we also have a split method. So other than array underscore split, we have a split method, but it will not adjust the elements when elements are less in the source array, like the array underscore split. Okay, so if you split an array into 3 arrays, you can access them from the result just like an array element. So if you actually see this, let's actually take this and let's actually do this. This is the array underscore split, and we are here. So this is an array, and then we asked it to split into 3, and then we say print me the 0, 1, and 2. So we are asking to print only the first 3. So let's actually see. So which is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is what's this thing. So this becomes the very first one, this becomes a second one, this becomes a third one. It is like something that we know, but just we are actually trying this. All right. So array underscore split. All right. Now splitting a 2-dimensional array. When you use the same syntax and splitting a 2-dimensional array, we use an array split. Now what we do here is, if you want to do a 2-dimensional also, we can use an array split and into this 3 types. So let's actually see. I have this 2-dimensional array. This is not a single dimensional. And then I say split it as 3, and then I say print me this. So let's actually see what is coming my way. See, it is actually split it accordingly into the 3 types and exactly what I need. All right. Now, the example in the previous one returns 3 2-dimensional array. Now let's take another example where each element in the 2-dimensional array contains 3 elements. Now split the 2-dimensional array into 3 2-dimensional arrays. So this is what we're actually trying to do here, and let's actually do this. We have a 2-dimensional array which is big, and then we are splitting. So let's actually see what is happening. This is what into 3, everything has 3, 3. This is what is actually happening. All right. So the example in the previous slide returns 3 2-dimensional arrays. In addition, you can specify which axis you want to do the split around. Okay, but they split along the axis of 0. So say suppose, here we go, and we can actually specify it exactly what they're actually asking. Same thing into 3, an axis of 1, 0, or this thing. Let's actually see. So if you say axis of 1, so 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, like that. The second thing goes like this. 5, and it actually starts. So it still splits into 3, but in the axis manner. You can actually specify which axis you want. If I do 2, probably it's going to give me error. Yeah, it is going to give me an error. I can say 0, which is this. I can say 1, which is this. Try to and see which is why is a syntax error. All right. So an alternate solution is to use head split opposite of H stack. So when the stack came, we saw a H stack, we saw a V stack, and we saw a D stack. Height, no, row, column, and height. H is row, V is column, and D is height. So here we have a H split. So let's actually see. And similarly, we should also be having a V split and a D split. And I have not done that here. So let's actually see this. So the H is a height, V is a column. D is a height, H is a row, V is a column. So let's actually see how it comes. See, it comes like this. Now I can do V and I can do D. All right, and see why this is actually an error. All right. All right, I trust you'd have actually enjoyed my lecture on splitting the arrays, which is multiple 1 into multiples, and the previous one was joining multiples into 1. So array underscore split command, and the head split is also there. If you have any questions, kindly contact me. I'll actually try to explain to the best of my abilities. Like always, I would like to thank two persons. One is you for giving me a golden time, and the other is my wife Jayashri following me to follow my passion. Till we see next time, thank you, take care, and cheers.